Alright, so, I don't know what the fuck's going on, but I've been hearing this fucking gnarly noise all night, like somebody slamming on the doors and like people talking, and I've already called the front. Dude, I've got 30 rounds of a Glock 45 right there. Right up above the microwave, dude. All I gotta do is grab that thing, and I've been hearing some fucking weird shit. And I fucking talked to security. They said nobody's up here with me, and it's just not making any fucking sense. I keep hearing it's not fucking cool, dude. It just sounds fucking eerie. I'm like, fuck. What the fuck was that?
Did you hear it?
Yeah. What do you mean? What the fuck? Dude, I'm in my room, dude. I have no idea what's going on, dude. It's like right next to me. What?